Hey, what's going on, students? I wanted to show you how to use Desmos to better understand this thing called point slope form, where you go y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 in brackets. The m is the slope, y1 is the y coordinate, and x1 is the x coordinate. So what we're going to do here, friends, is we're going to find the slope and then make point slope form with these 2 points. So most slopes, you read them left to right. So technically my first coordinate point is the negative 15 and 10 that I have graphed over here. So we're going to go left to right all the way to 2 and 4. So how do you find slope? Well, you need to do the change in the y values and then divide by the change in the x value. So basically you ask yourself, rise over run. So if you're going from 10 to 4, how much did it rise? Well, technically it went down 6. So I'm going to start right there. Okay, it went down 6. Okay, I'm not done yet, so just hang in there. You're like, what is this? It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, I'm not done yet, so chill. Divided by the change in the x values. Now, if you go from negative 15 all the way to positive 2, there's a change of positive 17. Okay, so watch this. Okay, so this purple line, see this purple line right here? That should be the slope that connects the green point to the blue point. Okay, why? Because I did rise over run. It went down 6. I went from 10 to 4, so I lost 6. There's the minus. And then I went from negative 15 to positive 2, which is adding 17. Okay, so now I actually almost have point slope form. I just have the slope. So now all I have to do is go y minus the y coordinate. Okay, the y coordinate is 10. Okay, we're gonna use this. I think the instructions always said use the first coordinate point. You can use both. I'll do both here in a second. But I think the instructions always said, hey, use the first coordinate point. So I need to go y minus the y coordinate. Okay. Whoa, that overshot it. Yeah, I totally agree because we're not done. We have to do x minus the x coordinate. So if I go like this, okay, and then I go minus the x coordinate minus a negative 15, that's actually plus 15. So let me go like that. Oh, look, weird. Look what happened. There you go. I bullseyed both coordinate points. Okay, I have the right slope, and then I hit the coordinate points right on the dot. No pun intended. Literally hit them on the dot. Now you can use the seg coordinate point if you want. It's going to graph the exact same line. So if I did y minus 4, okay, well, it's not right. Yeah, I'm not done yet. Hold on. And then I did x minus 2. There you go. So as you can see, if I turn the black line on and off, it's the same as the purple line. Okay. So point slope form works for multiple coordinate points. As long as you get the same slope and you hit a point along the line, you're going to be good to go. Okay, we can go up further, and they might ask you questions like, oh, you need to make a perpendicular line through this point. Oh, okay. All I need to do is to take this one that's already in point slope form and then just make the opposite reciprocal slope. So I want the black line to not be parallel. I want it to be perpendicular. So I want it to go this way. Easy. You just flip the slope and make it positive. You got to be the opposite reciprocal. So first of all, let's make it opposite. So let's get rid of the negative. And then I got to make it, that's not right. That's not, yeah, no, I'm not done. I got to flip it. I got to go 17/6. Okay, look at that. 90 degrees right there. Perpendicular and through the coordinate point 2 and 4. Okay, I could copy and paste. Okay, now the red line's there. I could slide it all the way over to this coordinate point. If I go minus the y coordinate of 10 and then plus 15. There you go. Look at that. Perpendicular again. So basically you just kind of horse around. Okay, you can change the slope to whatever you want. I can change the slope to the black line. I can change it to A, make a slider, and now I can change the slope to whatever I want it to be. Positive, negative, doesn't really matter. But as long as you have that x minus 2 and y minus 4, it's going to stay locked on to that coordinate point. Okay, so that's kind of the cool thing about Desmos is you can goof around. Okay, and I can mess with any slope I want, but it's going to stay locked into 2 and 4. I guess that's in my class. That's why I call point slope form the sniper formula. Okay, because you can bullseye any coordinate point that you want. Okay, oops, I wanted to go this one with it. Apologize. All right, that's it, friends. There you go. That is point slope form in a nutshell. How you take 2 coordinate points and how you can bullseye them with point slope Okay, see you in class. Goodbye.